The star of Bethlehem is shining and is shedding light upon us. Our stars must shine for its restoration hour. Receive your stolen star, for it's coming to an end this Sunday. The Oracle of Shekinah, Apostle Miriam Kapanat, welcomes you for this restoration, reunion and reuniting service. Families, destinies and stars must be restored this coming Sunday. We are receiving the family glory. This impartation is one like never experienced before. So make sure you don't miss out on this service. Be shifted and have your star locate and work for you this Sunday. Don't miss out. Shekinah Glory Manifestations Ministry is located on the 5th floor of KPCO building next to Marikiti Obokuluma Market along Haile Selassie Avenue, Nairobi, Kenya. Don't miss out on this powerful reuniting service happening this Sunday. Come for your restoration in Jesus' name.
Patia Yesu chakula yake ya sifa. Ukimaliza hakikisha sahani yako iko na kila kitu. Sahani yako iko na kachumbari. Sahani yako iko na mboga safi. Sifa kwa Yesu. Sifa kwa Yesu. Sifa kwa Yesu. Chini kwa chini. Chini kwa chini.